You already know who it is, man. Hey, check this out. I got a new thing I'm fixing to start doing at the car shows. So most shows have music or live DJs, so to avoid the copyright, I'm gonna do basically the whole show is gonna be like a montage. All the cars that really stand out and that I don't see at the last 3, 4, 5 meets I was at, I'm gonna start doing those and just do it like a montage. And at the end, catch the scenes or the lunches at the end. That's what most of you guys seem to like. I'm looking at my analytics on my channel, and if I do a 20-minute video, average watch time is 7, 8, 9, 10 minutes. So I'm gonna cut it in half until you guys start giving me some input on what you're looking for and what you wanna see. Roll over into the scenes and the lunches, and we're out. Let's get it. What's up? I'm out here with the man, the myth, the legend here in flesh, man. Hey, I like what you put together, man.
Thanks, man.
How can you do this?
Appreciate that.
more.